Today we're going to be going over 5 different websites that will pay you daily while you work from home and at your own schedule. This is going to be a good one, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about getting that money and being able to work from home while doing it. I'll be going over some amazing websites and apps that you can use from your phone, from your laptop, from your computer at home and still be bringing in some of that stay-at-home profit. And alright, I'm super excited. Let's get started. Alright, so first up we have Scurvy, and this is a company that hires people to transcribe videos just like this. So if you wanted to get this video transcribed, you would go to their website, send them a link to the video, and they would pay one of their employees to listen to the audio and transcribe it for you. There are so many other, services out there that are kind of like this, but if you think about it, you could be getting paid just for this. They will pay you anywhere between $5 to $25 per hour for the videos that you transcribed. Isn't that amazing? All you have to do is head over to their website and apply. Alrighty guys, job number 2. If you are living in America, North America, Europe, you probably heard of this company or actually use this company. It's called Lime. Lime Scooters is this amazing company where you can go out to your major city and download this app, and as you're walking around looking for transportation, you may find a scooter. You click your app, you scan the code, and boom, you pay for a couple dollars to go for a ride. And if it isn't obvious, these scooters are electric, so they are truly disrupting the transportation industry. What's really fantastic about this amazing company, besides easier ways to get from point A to point B, is the fact that they will hire you to actually go find these scooters, take them home, charge them, and then after they're charged, go and put them throughout, scatter them throughout the city. What's great is that once you are done charging these, Lime will deposit your payment into your account, and that's all there is to it. Alright guys, next one is called CueMe, and now before I go into it, I always tell you guys to kind of stay away from those surveys, shop, spend money, save, and then get those cashback rewards. I mean, they do work, but there are so many other amazing ways to make money from home. But I wanted to put this in the video because A, it's a great site, and B, some people love doing surveys, and some people love just shopping and being able to make money that way. So if this sounds like right up your alley, then I highly recommend using CueMe as your go-to website. They have partnered up with huge companies like Walmart, Amazon, Target, Google, Bing, and what's great about that, it gives you more opportunities to not only make money, but through well-known sites. Alright you guys, so job number 4 is really amazing. I've heard amazing things about it, and I almost felt like it was too good to be true, so I went on to Glassdoor.com and I looked up the company. I actually found some blogs and did my own digging, so I highly recommend you do that too. But in the end, it's such an amazing opportunity that I just had to put it in here and let you guys know about it. So this is called Field Agent. So what's great about Field Agent is that you download the app onto your phone, and pretty much you get paid to doing tasks for other businesses where you're just checking their pricing on their products, their hours, their store information, their location, you're taking photos, you're giving them that information so they can verify it. And what's even better is that you get paid same day. Once you complete the task, you put it in for verification, and once it's approved, there you go, ka-ching! So if you make a day out of it and you just spend a few hours doing all of these different tasks, just think about how much money, a couple $100s, you could be bringing in. Tasks can be anywhere between $3 to $30. This is one of the best apps in the space, so I highly recommend to go check it out. Okay, so last one is called Testing Time. What's really great about this is that you become the middleman and you get to be testing products and software for companies to make sure that they're getting all the bugs out, if they're trying new upgrades, and all of that really cool stuff. Now, a disclaimer is sometimes you're gonna have to hop on a video call and use some Skype, but the fact that you're getting paid to work from home is so amazing, and the fact that you get to try out new products and software before it even really launches, I mean, come on, how cool is that? Now, I'm the kind of person that, hey, send me all the cool stuff to try on. I have shiny object syndrome, as my husband likes to call it, and I like to try everything, so I would be willing to do it for free. But the fact that they're willing to pay you up to $60 per hour is mind-blowing. So this one is definitely one to go check out. I'm sure you guys got some amazing ideas on how to make that stay-at-home profit, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you like these kind of videos, definitely comment below, or if you are actually checking out one of these videos, comment below which one. I would love to know and help you guys out in any way possible that I can to provide you guys with more opportunities just like the ones in this video. If you really want to dive into that stay-at-home profit, go head over to Facebook and join my exclusive Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit, or head to my website, stayathomprofit.com, to get more information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!